Hey friends, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram application where we will show you how to hide followings and followers on your account. Let's go to the profile page on Instagram. Okay, so if you want to make followers and following sections absolutely private and hide it from other accounts, we have a cool solution for you. Unfortunately, there is no option to disable it to hide it from others, but you can just make your account private. In this way, other accounts, I don't say about your followers right now, but other accounts which can search you, which can find you on Instagram, cannot check this data. In this way, these sections will be absolutely hidden from others. But your followers and your followings will be able to check this information. So if this option is good for you, if you want to activate it, let's check this video to the very end and I will show you how to switch your account to the private one and disable this private option. So when we are on the profile page, to go to the settings, we need to pick on the three lines icon at the right upper corner of the screen and to the settings option here. Later, let's pick on the privacy and choose switch opposite the private account inscription. In this way, you will make your account private and disable this data for check to others. So let's click on the toggle and choose the switch to private option at the appearance notification bar. Later, we need to go to the profile page and refresh it. As you can see here, this icon means that from now on our account is absolutely private, and I will go to another user to check the result. I will use this user as an example and search for my account here in the bar. This is my account, and as you can see, I cannot check these sections because I'm not the follower and this account is absolutely private. I will tap on the follower. Now I need to wait for the request, but I am not be able to check this data. In this way, you can hide your followers and following section from others. And when I am on my account, when I want to disable the privacy settings from the account and make it usual in the normal mode as before, I need to pick on this three lines icon at the top, choose settings, go to the privacy option and disable the private account feature after clicking on the toggle again, and to confirm my choice after tapping on the switch to public feature. Okay. Automatically, after disabling this privacy option, my request will be enabled and everyone can check my information here after going to the followers and followings section. Well done! Guys, don't forget about likes if this video was useful and if our solution was definitely needful and interesting. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out later more tricks about the Instagram and other apps. Bye bye!